All right, well, we're doing some Hillbilly Bondo today. All right, this is what we got. Looks real good, John. Is that a specialty type of Bondo we got there today? Yeah. We're about to do the thin set coat, final coat. And it's going to really take this thing to high standards.
You ready? Is this enough?
Yeah, that's good. Come on, mix it. Ooh, that's a lot. You got to get to beating. That's a lot of hardener. Do it all nice and red. Alright, do it fast. Beat it fast. It's going to get hard. Oh yeah. Come on with it. Faster. Come on, bring it on up and get it on there. I'm going to come behind you with the big one. There you go. Stick it on there. I'll bring it down there. Bring it more. Oh, open your door up. Don't let that adhere on there like that. All right, bring it on. All right. Run that bottom edge. All right. We sound like two fat women at Lamaze. We're breathing heavy. Oh, that looks beautiful. We'll just sand it down and shoot it with some primer and it's on. Someone will be trying to flag you down to buy this joker.